Hello and welcome to the Eduonics Angular 2 course. My name is Brad Traversy and I'll be your instructor through the course. So I just want to go through a quick introduction of what we'll be doing here. So this course will be focusing on all the core fundamentals of Angular 2, which is a full JavaScript framework for building web applications. So this course will include slides, examples, as well as a complete project at the end. So here's the structure of the course. We have 6 sections, and each section will have anywhere between 4 and 7 lectures. Each lecture will have between 1 and 2 videos, and also any documents and or program files that were included in that lecture. And there will also be 1 quiz offered in each section. So what you should know before taking this course. So you should definitely know some HTML. You should know a little bit of JavaScript. TypeScript, not so much. It's okay if you don't even know what TypeScript is. It's basically JavaScript with some extra bells and whistles, and we'll talk about that as we go on. Now, if you know Angular 1, it will help you, but it's not required, and it's not required because Angular 2 is so much different than Angular 1 that if you don't know either one, it's not going to help you for us to explain Angular 1 to you as far as scopes and controllers, and that stuff's not even in Angular 2 anymore. Programming fundamentals like conditionals, arrays, functions, stuff like that will obviously help you as well. So here are some of the technology concepts and just different things that we'll be talking about throughout the course. Obviously, Angular 2. Angular 2 is based on components, so we'll be learning a lot about components. Directives, we'll get to that later on. Services, pipes, the HTTP module for interacting with other web servers. Data binding, Firebase, which is a NoSQL database that we'll be using in our project. Events, observables is a big one, allowing us to work with asynchronous data, also promises, and then UI design. Okay, so these are the main things we'll be focusing on. Obviously, there will be some other stuff as well, but these are the big ones. So here's a quick overview of the sections. Section 1, getting started with Angular. I'll introduce Angular 2 to you and just talk about some of the basics and fundamentals. Section 2 will be all about components. What are they? How do we create them? Section 3 will be about templates, events, and services. Section 4 will be on forms and user interaction, piping, and also the router. And Section 5 will be on observables and asynchronous data, how to get data from another JSON API, stuff like that. And then Section 6, we'll put it all together and we're going to build a client manager application. Alright, so that's it. Hopefully you will learn a lot from this course, and let's get started.